Okay, welcome to the third part of video 6. In the second part of video 6, we have seen how to set the target for subjects in the regular system, the 844 system. In this video, we will see how to set the target for a CBC class. For example, if you're teaching class 6, 5 or 4, how do you set the subject target for those classes? That is what we're going to see. Before we go to that one, I want you to note something on the progress. You can see the progress or the completion percentage is 99. That is because we have set the target for this regular. Now the percentage will not increase even if we set for the CBC, but we have to set for all the subjects you are teaching. You have to set the target. Let us go together now, and here we go. We'll proceed to appraisal by clicking on this, and we'll come to learners progress, update progress. We come to the part of CBC, and then we set target, and this one is different from the regular. From the regular, you are setting only the percentage, the mean score percent in terms of percentage, but this one you have to create the units, or what they call the strands that you are teaching. You set the target, for example, for English grade 6, 5 to 6 they are 4 to 6 they are 1, and then set the grade. This is grade 6. If you are teaching English grade 5, you do the same. Now the grade is 5, English grade 5 to 6. If you are teaching 4, you set here 4, and then you do whatever I'm doing here. The first strand in English is listening and speaking. You save that one. That strand is saved here. English grade 4 to 6. For grade 6, listening and speaking. That one also you need to update. Before I update that one, I have to add the next strand, which is in English we have listening and speaking. Next we have, let me set English here, English grade 4 to 6, and then the strand is reading. I've set there. Now I have the reading here again for grade 6. Next we set another one, which is English grade 4 to 6, and then the strand is grammar. Before we go to writing, it is grammar in use, or grammar in use. Yeah. And the next one is, the last one is writing. Remember, when you're writing all these strands, you are guided by the curriculum design. Different subjects have different strands. For example, in mathematics, you will see number work, geometry, and measurement, and others. This one, the last one, is writing. I've set now for all the possible strands in English. The first one was listening and speaking. followed by reading, and then followed by grammar. The last one is writing. The work is not done. Up to here you have only created the listening and speaking, the strands. You have created the strands. For each strand you have to set the target. That is what we're going to do. Now I have clicked on update for the strand, and this is what you have. The levels of performance, the EE, the ME, the AE and the BE. All of this you know. For each one you set the number of learners. For example, in standard 6, the total, both 6 and B, we have 60 learners. So how many learners do I expect to be exceeding expectations? For example, if I'm handling one stream, I can say up to 10 or even 8, somewhere there, will be exceeding expectations. We have here detailed description. You have to write the detailed description now. Yeah, this one is not must. The next one is how many are going to meet expectation. I can say, for example, up to some 20. Then approaching expectation, this is some 15. Now we have 30 plus 15, 45. And then you can say like 15 of them may be below. And then I save. That one is for listening and speaking. I will have to go back again later on and on my own time, and I have to edit all these things. This is just for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, that is the process you will follow for the remaining strands. For example, for grammar or for reading, you will do the same. You will update by clicking on here. You have English reading. You will come to here and click there. Do the same. The number of learners, the number of points is already there. Then you do this one.